Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a flower dip. This is the dip that I started doing about four and a half years ago. And I still see some really nice dips that inspired by my work, and they inspired me back. I saw some beautiful dips by Tomoko Art. I will put her link in the description box. She did just an amazing dips lately, and that inspired me to do some just regular old school flower dips again. So I will pour my paints on the surface for the flower dip and dip my canvas in, and I will use same colors for the reverse dip that you will in my Friday's video, that you will see the difference maybe for those who are new, what is a dip and what is reverse flower dip. So I will pour some titanium white on my plastic on my table and spread it around. I marked my size of my canvas. It's 8 by 8 inch canvas. For those flowers, you know, it's easier to do it on a smaller canvas because it's easier to lift, and it's all kind of ways how you can do your flowers, how you drizzle, pour your paint here. Okay, my base is down, and maybe I will just wet down my canvas just a little bit with white, just to wet it down. I will show you just a thin layer, basically just to wet down. And I don't care about the sides right now because I can paint them later on. Okay, so it's just, you see, wet surface of the canvas that I will dip into that here. And I will just do some circles, and I will start with this little piggy pigment Satina Aphrodite, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe just some few dots here around. And I will use some greens too, so and next one will be Bordeaux Red by Winsor Newton. I will overlap a little bit. It's okay to have just some drips around, and we'll add some gold next. Satina Aphrodite, just growing. Okay, add some Venetian rose by Amsterdam. And I think that I will add a little more of Bordeaux red on top because I almost lost it in that Aphrodite. Okay, and for the greens I will use some olive green deep by Amsterdam. Greens to be in there. Some asparagus, these little piggy pigments. I love this. Green is so beautiful. Maybe I will add some pearl white too for some nice effects. Some lacing maybe. Okay, now I will dip my canvas into that. Make sure that my canvas touches the surface. Now I will try to lift it straight up, even though that I have kind of a sideway pattern. Maybe I did press a little too much, but I like it. Maybe I added too much green, but I'm happy with it. I like it that way. And here I have quite some paint still on the plastic, and I will just do that. And dip some coasters. I didn't tape the back of the coasters, but it will be okay anyway. Right here in the middle. So here is a close-up of the canvas. I probably pressed this a little too much because the colors here kind of blended together for my taste a little too much. I would love to have more like this effect here. Not as much of this, but it's a beautiful abstract flower anyway. Don't know if you see any of the shimmer. And this is my first coaster that I really love. Love, love, love. Wow. The second one, not as much. But it's kind of easy way to do a flower. Maybe I will just dip this part a little bit. Let's do that. Yeah, much better. So this is a dip technique, flower dip technique. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.